You just give us your top of mind on physical AI.
Remember what software is. Software is a tool. There's this notion that the software industry is in decline and will be replaced by AI. You could tell because there's a whole bunch of software companies whose stock prices are under a lot of pressure because somehow AI is going to replace them. It is the most illogical thing in the world, and time will prove itself. Let's give ourselves the ultimate thought experiment. Suppose we are the ultimate AI. Artificial general robotics. The ultimate AI. The physical version of us. Mm-hmm. You could, of course, solve any problem because you're humanoid. You could do things. If you were a human or robot, would you use a screwdriver or invent a new screwdriver? I would just use one. Would you use a hammer or invent a new hammer? Would you use a chainsaw or invent a new chainsaw? First of all, ideally they don't use it at all. But do you understand what I'm saying? If you were a human or robot, artificial general robotics, would you use tools or reinvent tools? The answer, obviously, is to use tools. And so now do the digital version of that. If you were an artificial general intelligence, would you use the tools like ServiceNow and SAP and Cadence and Synopsys? Or would you reinvent a calculator? Of course, you would just use a calculator. That's the reason why the latest breakthroughs in AI is what? Tool use. Because the tools are designed to be explicit. There are many problems in our world where F equals MA. Could you please not come up with another version? FA is not kind of MA. It's just MA. Do you guys, Ohm's law, V equals IR. It's not kind of IR. Approximately IR? Statistically IR? It is IR. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? And so I think we want the artificial general robotics, artificial general intelligence to use tools.